Dubai is making its own fake rain to beat 122°F heat. The monsoon-like downpour drenches a busy highway, causing tricky driving conditions for the stream of SUVs. Sudden waterfalls appear on the side of the road. It would be a common sight in parts of Southeast Asia, but this is the United Arab Emirates, in the height of a summer heatwave which has seen temperatures regularly surpass 120°F. And according to the UAE's National Center of Meteorology, the precipitation was enhanced by cloud seeding operations to increase rainfall in the Gulf country. On Sunday, the UAE's National Weather Service released video footage of the heavy downpours. Its cloud seeding operations are part of an ongoing mission to generate precipitation in the Middle East country, which has an average rainfall of just 4 inches. The cloud seeding operations work through manned aircraft firing chemicals such as silver iodide into the clouds in order to cause increased precipitation. The National reported the heavy rainfall caused waterfalls to appear in the city of Al Ain and made driving conditions hazardous.